Hey y'all, good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to Andrea Speaks TV. I am your host, Andrea, and I'm bringing you commentary you can use. This is episode 4. That's right, episode 4. And this morning I want to speak on an article that I was actually reading on CNBC about the stock market this week. But before I do that, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, Andrea Speaks TV, and also share this video with your family, friends, so that they can know as well. All right. I appreciate your support in helping my channel to grow. All right. So the name of the article I was reading on CNBC is titled "The End of the Quarter Could Create Volatility for Markets in the Week Ahead." So I want to give a warning about the stock market this week. Okay. All right. So here's some highlights from the article. It says the first quarter winds down in the week ahead, meaning this week, and that could cause some market volatility. Now, in a calendar year, the first quarter starts on January the 1st and it ends on March 31st. So many companies, they report their first quarter earnings, and that's coming up at the end of this month. All right. So the first quarter winds down in the week ahead, and that could cause some market volatility. Now, you may be wondering, okay, what do you mean by volatility, Andrea? Volatility basically is a measure of how much the stock market's overall value fluctuates up and down. So, in other words, the more volatile, the higher the risk for that stock or security. Okay, also the March employment report is released on Good Friday, which is a market holiday, and it is expected to show more than 600,000 jobs were created in the month. So usually anytime, whenever the employment report does come out, it always has some impact on the stock market. So comment yes or no in the chat, whether you're watching live or by replay. Comment yes or no. Let me know. Are you a stock market investor? Do you own shares of stock? Do you invest in the stock market? I myself, I'm a stock market investor. My family is a stock market investor. Even my child is a stock market investor. So you can never be too young or too old to invest in the stock market. Okay, markets will be focused on President Joe Biden's infrastructure plan, which he is expected to unveil in Pittsburgh on this Wednesday. And so once I learn more information about that, I will be bringing you all an update on President Joe Biden's proposed infrastructure plan. All right, some more highlights from the article. As I shared, the March jobs report is scheduled for a morning when the stock market is closed for Good Friday, but bonds will trade half a day ending at noon. Economists expect 630,000 jobs were added in March, and the unemployment rate fell to 6% from 6.2%, according to Dow Jones. President Joe Biden is expected to unveil details of his $3 trillion to $4 trillion infrastructure plan on Wednesday in Pittsburgh, but strategists say it is too soon to say what form the plan could take or how large it will be in its final form. Some strategists say the quarter-end trade could end up being positive for stocks, especially big cap tech, since rates have stopped moving higher temporarily. All right. Let's see. The 10-year is the most widely followed yield since it influences mortgages and other key financing rates. All right, talking about the 10-year bond yield. All right, more on the infrastructure plan. The article also mentions that the $1.9 trillion fiscal plan, which was just signed by the president. If you don't know the details of that stimulus package, you can watch my videos right here on the channel, Andrea Speaks TV, where I went into detail about exactly what was in the plan. But the $1.9 trillion fiscal plan just signed by the president was one driver of bond yields as investors weighed the anticipated bump in economic activity and higher debt levels it will bring. Let me see if I noted anything else from the article. I think that was pretty much it. The main thing that I took away for those of you all who, like myself, may be investors in the stock market, we've seen recently recent volatility with the GameStop trades as well as other companies, GameStop, AMC. We know that one day our stock could be up in price, could increase in price, and that very same day it could go down, it could go back up, it could be volatile. So I just wanted to give you all a warning about what market experts are saying could happen this week. By no means am I a market expert. I'm not here to give investment advice. I'm simply just reporting on some of the information in this article that I shared with you all. So let's see. I think I had made one other note here. Oh, if you have not, if you are not invested in the stock market, I do have a link in the description. You can get started. There are several different companies out there, whether you choose to go with, let's see some of them, whether you choose to go with TD Ameritrade, you have Fidelity, Charles Schwab is another one, or even Robinhood. If you have not began investing in the stock market, I do have a link in the description of the video. If you join Robinhood with my link, you could get a free stock. So check that out if you're interested. Also, if you would like to follow me on Instagram, you can follow me on Instagram at Andrea Speaks TV. And also, if you need any emergency food supply or survival needs, in my most recent video in episode 3, I talked about how natural disasters, emergencies, the current pandemic, all of those pose threats to our food supply and food production, as well as water supply. So if you need any emergency food kits or survival needs, please make sure you check out my website, preparewithandrea.com. Again, that's preparewithandrea.com. So you can make sure you and your family are taken care of and have what you need in case of an emergency. So again, this is episode 4. I just wanted to come to you all with a warning about what market experts are saying about the stock market this week. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure that you like this video, share this video, and subscribe to the channel. And also comment below and let me know what you think about what market experts are saying. All right. Well, you all take care. Have a great day. And until next time, see you. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.